In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Heygen account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect, so you can confidently remove your account without confusion. Keep in mind that deleting an account is typically permanent and may remove access to your projects and settings, so proceed only if you're sure. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Heygen. In the results, look for the official Heygen website. To make sure you're on the right page, check the domain carefully and look for the secure padlock icon in the address bar. Avoid sponsored results or look-alike links that don't match the official site. Click the correct link to go to Heygen's homepage. Once you're on the site, click Sign In. If you aren't already signed in, log in using your usual method. If you're already signed in, you'll be taken straight to your dashboard. From the dashboard, go to the bottom left corner of the screen. That's where you'll find your profile area, usually shown as your avatar or initials. Click it to open your account options. In the menu that appears, select Settings. This will take you to the main settings page where you can adjust your account preferences. On the left-hand sidebar, click the tab labeled Account. If you're on a smaller screen and don't immediately see the sidebar, open the collapsed menu to reveal it, then choose Account. With the account page open, scroll all the way to the bottom. You're looking for the section labeled Delete Account. This section is designed to keep the option out of the way so you don't click it by mistake. When you find it, read any notes or warnings carefully so you understand what will be removed and whether the action is reversible. When you're ready, click through and follow the on-screen prompts to complete the deletion. You may be asked to confirm your choice, select a reason, re-enter your password, or type a confirmation phrase. Make sure you finish every step. The account won't be removed until you complete the full confirmation flow. After you confirm, you may be signed out automatically, and your account and associated content will be scheduled for deletion according to Heygen's policy. That's it. Your Heygen account is now deleted. If you need to keep anything for your records, make sure you've taken care of that before confirming deletion. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough made the process clear and stress-free.